Outspoken war veteran Blessed Sugeza is once again issued a bold warning that the controversial 2030 agenda will not come to fruition, asserting that President Emerson Mnangagwa's hold on power is coming to an end. Salabina mashoko obuda panguva ino anokonzi bomushogeza obudanyira chiti 2030 agenda will die in pregnancy. Lodi bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda munawo zero mudanyi kwa mchinzi Geza, known for his uncompromising stance on corruption and governance, also credited himself with helping stop attempts by ZANU-PF hardliners to extend Mnangagwa's term beyond constitutional limits. In a New Year Eve statement on 31 December 2025, Geza addressed Zimbabweans directly. Greetings, fellow Zimbabweans. This is your comrade Blessed Sugeza, comrade Bombshow. As we approach the end of 2025, I extend my warmest greetings to all progressive Zimbabweans, both at home and abroad. I trust you will agree that 2025 was a year many would want to quickly forget. Zimbabwe's economy continued to the precipice, and life has not been easy for ordinary Zimbabweans, he said. Geza reflected on the past year, describing it as one of awakening and resistance. Many masks have fallen, lies have been exposed, and countless Zimbabweans have awakened the realities at stake in our beloved country, he said. Speaking about corruption within ZANU-PF, Geza stated, "Throughout this year, I have consistently spoken out about Emerson's corruption, which has birthed a deep moral crisis within ZANU-PF. I have made it abundantly clear Emerson must go, and he will, regardless of the obstacles in our path. I have made this call out of bitterness or ambition, but out of profound sense of duty." He condemned the so-called 2030 project, arguing that it is not intended to benefit the nation. Looters are now parading as leaders, and these thieves lecture the impoverished about the need to be patient with Emerson and even give him more years to 2030. This will be a pipe dream. I assume that the 2030 project will die in pregnancy, Geza said. Thomas Kwantoka na Bombshow Geza panguva ino achiwa chikata awa the 2030 plan achiti aiwa panguva ino iri kuno konze aiwa haizimbori a vision yekuuya kudevelopa nyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pemashoko aBombshow Geza. Pinda comment section medu za mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.